The voice in my baby monitor said my name. My baby was asleep, but the monitor whispered my name. Asterisk, it was in the middle of the night. I heard my name whispered from the baby monitor. Rachel. My son, barely 8 months old, was sound asleep. I rushed to his room, nothing. I checked the device. No interference. I stayed up watching. The next night, Rachel, come here. It was clearer, deeper, but still my baby was silent. I called my husband, who was out of town. He laughed it off. The third night, the monitor showed a dark figure standing over the crib. I sprinted in, but the crib was empty. My son was in my arms already. I hadn't even moved. Then who was in the other room? So, if that wasn't my baby crying last night, what was it?